Welcome back, traders. This is another video I'm about to show you right here on how I make $4,000 trading this particular trade right here, taking the bearish trade. And then I know a lot of traders blow up their account because of the news, and then some lost money, but I was able to make $4,000. So I'm going to show you how I was able to see my own setup, and some of my students also saw this particular setup, and then I'm going to show you a few of them. Okay, I think I should show you before starting the analysis. Okay, let's just do that first. Okay, so right here, this is one of my students. He was the one that first sent me this particular analysis. Can you see? This is the analysis right here. Can you see? Want to buy the trade, and sorry, want to sell the trade. Can you see? First take profit and then second take profit. Can you see right here? First take profit right here and the second take profit. This is one of my students from Cameroon. Okay, and then you're able to see he was able to analyze the same trade. Meanwhile, some traders blow up their accounts, and then I'm going to show you another student. Okay, he said they are good money, boss. Boss, do you think gold is ready for bearish? Then I was talking about the news, because right here news starts from 1:30, but I sent him this voice note. Can you see the time right here? 1:10 p.m. So this is what I told him.
Actually, I'm expecting a buy trade and also a sell trade because of liquidity below. Price is give like a sell trade, because that means I really like have direction about it. But at the same time, I'm expecting a buy trade. Many people are saying sell, 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 but me, I'm expecting something like a buy trade.
So this is when I told him that I'm expecting a buy trade for the news that price is going to go up and also sell. And then he was able to see the buy trade, but he didn't enter into the buy trade too. And then it was able to sell the market. So this one he sent to me, look boss, I initially thought the buy trade, but it's already currently selling the market, you understand? So that's just it. And then you can see the trade right here. This one market is still moving. Then it shows me the MetaTrader file that it really entered into the market. So this one it got to like take profits. Can you see? This one is straight got to take profit to 1:29. 1:29. So this is one of my students. Let me show you another one. Okay, let me show you another student also called this particular trade. Okay, right here you can see this particular chart right here. This is another student. He saw this particular trade, and then a lot of people miss this particular setup. A lot of traders miss this particular setup. Can you see? Okay, but on this chart right here, it's not showing that price pick is trade. But I asked him right here. Okay, I asked him right here, did the price pick your trade? And then he said yes. I said nice one. And then let me show you another one. I think one of my students also saw that particular trade. Okay, I think this is it. Okay, so but this one is stop loss is very big because of the news, so you have to increase the stop loss. So this one of my students also saw the sales setup. Okay, let's just go into the video right now, and then I'm going to show you how the setup play out. So next time, if the same thing happens, you know how to enter to the market and also how to trade it. So let's just come back to our chart right here. Okay, so let's just go into the video right now. So the setup is very simple. Let me go back to like 4 hour time frame. Okay, so on 4 hour time frame, okay, let me start from daily time frame. What you have to do is you get your buyers from daily time frame or weekly time frame. It all depends. Just the most important thing, you get your buyers from higher time frame. Your higher time frame can be like 4 hour time frame, can be like daily time frame, can be even 1 hour time frame. Sometimes if I'm scalping the market, my higher time frame can be like 15 minutes time frame. It all depends. But the most important thing is you understanding your trading strategy. Also able to understand your trade strategy very well, you can go down to lower time frame, and then to find any movements, you'll be able to know when to get in and also when to leave the market. My trade strategy is very simple, and then I trade basically order block, only order block. So I was able to identify a real order block in the market, even though we have like 4 different ways on how to identify a real order block in the market. So I end up giving like 2 for free on my YouTube page. The first is if price is going on a bullish direction, just like this. Okay, and then price end up breaking too low, so you make use of the order block. The order block is just like the last bullish candle right here before price break this first low and also this second low. So it's what the real order block, and the price you use to push all the way down, price you use to come down. Do you understand? So this is the order block. Price end up breaking too low. Okay, you see this is the first low right here. and then this is the second low. Then the second way on how to identify order block is just like if price end up breaking only one low. Okay, let me show you guys. If price end up breaking only one low and then move up, refuse to break this particular high, come all the way down, so price probably going to take out this particular high as a liquidity and then use the moment to come down. So what I mean, there's like price end up breaking only one low right here. Can you see? Price end up breaking only one low and then price come all the way down to break another low right here. Can you see? So price not going to respect this particular high, so price going to take the high out as what a liquidity and then respect the order block above it. So this is the second way on how to identify a real order block in the market. It's very simple, guys, but you just need to have the full understanding. You're understanding the markets, you understanding what price is saying. So this is 2 out of 4 ways on how to identify a real order block. This is the only one I'm giving out for free on my YouTube page. So let me delete this and then let's go into the video right now. So okay, so if check from daily time frame right now, actually I'm expecting price to take out this particular low, but price did not do that. Can you see that price is here to go below this particular low right here, and then this movement from this high to this particular low did not break anything right there. So actually we expecting price to take out this particular high. So normally I'm expecting price to take out this particular low right here and then to tap into this particular order block, and then I think this is the real order block on lower time frame. I don't really remember, but I have to like reanalyze the market again. So I'm expecting price to come all the way down to take out this particular low before going up, and then price can also change direction and start going on a bearish direction. So that's just for that. So let me just talk about this particular setup. Once you have to understand, you're like, it is difficult for price to break two level in the market, like breaking too high or too lows. It is difficult for price to break it. Once price end up breaking one high, price can retrace a little bit and then before breaking the second one. But it's not every single time that it works that way. That is why you have to understand where it works and then where it does not work. So right here, price was pushing up, and then from this particular high, from this high right here downward, did not break anything at the far left side. So price is going to take out this particular high. Can you see this particular high right here? So where the analysis actually start from is from this particular area right here. Price end up breaking this particular low, expecting price to come all the way back to this particular order block and they take some liquidity on this is the daily time frame order block. Price tap into the daily time frame order block but not take some liquidity inside this order block. If you check on 4-hour time frame, okay, so on 4-hour time frame right now, this movement did not break anything. Can you see? Let me show you. Sorry, from this particular low, from this particular low right here, from this particular low right here upward, not break anything at the far left side. Price not break anything. This high is still on that range, so price not break anything at the far left side. And then this order block right here is not what a valid order block, so price don't go to respect this particular order block to push up to break this particular high. So price is probably going to take this low as what a liquidity, and also there are some, I think there are some liquidity below this particular area. So I'm expecting price to take out this particular low and also take this low right here and then respect a real order block before going on a bullish direction. If price is going on a bullish direction, and also price can decide to change direction and then start to go on a bearish direction. So just know that. So price is here to do that. Price is here to do that, and then I'm not expecting price to use this particular moment to break this particular high, because this bearish moment, it hasn't fulfilled all the purpose of coming all the way down. Price end up taking out this particular low on daily time frame. Let me go back to like daily time frame, 1 day. Okay, so price end up taking out this particular low, this opposite candle right here on the daily time frame. So expecting price to come all the way back to this particular reorder block, but price is yet to do that. Price is yet to do that, and also price is coming all the way down, thinking that price is going to break this particular low. Actually, all my thoughts is just like price is going to break this particular low, because I saw a setup, I think on 3-hour time frame, a sell setup. I'm going to show you. Okay, this is the sales setup. And also one of my students saw this particular setup. I just have a class with him. It was on Monday because he started his training on Monday, and then on Tuesday he was able to see this particular setup. Let me show you guys, because he ended up making like I think it's 1:16 if I'm not wrong. Let me show you guys. Okay, this is my student right here. Okay, let me show you the setup. He saw the setup after a day. Okay, this is Tuesday. Okay, can you see this is the setup right here? 1:16. It end up make like 1:16. It not enter directly, is waiting for confirmation. This is the order block. It not enter directly, enter like waiting for confirmation, just like to sell the market. So you end up seeing like 1:16. Can you see 1:16, 16 RRR 8? Can you see? This is the second day of his training. I only had a class with him on Monday. Can you see? This is when I sent him the Google Meet link just for like training. After on Monday class, the following morning he was able to see this particular setup, and then I was still happy because 1:16 is a very huge ratio. So let's just go back to our video. So I was expecting price to come all the way down to break this particular low right here, and then if you go down to lower time frame, should I do that with you guys? Okay, let me just do that. Let me rush with it. If you go down to lower time frame, this is on 3-hour time frame. If you go down to lower time frame, let's check 2-hour time frame. Okay, 2-hour time frame remain the same thing. Let's move down to like a 30 minutes time frame. 30 minutes time frame also, I think it remained the same thing. Okay, let's move down to like 5 minutes time frame. Okay, okay, I think so. The setup is very clear. You just need to understand my trade strategy. Once you understand my trade strategy, you can be going down to the lower time frame to increase your risk to reward ratio. So on 5 minutes time frame right now, the setup remains the same. So you only have one order block inside it. So you only analyze the market when you have 2 order block inside your order block. I'm giving out this one for free, so don't forget it. Actually, it's meant for my students. These are 5 minutes. Let's check on 3 minutes time frame. Okay, 3 minutes time frame. On 3 minutes time frame right here, this particular moment from this eye, can you see this bullish candle to this particular low did not break anything? So you'll be expecting price to go above it, even though this market end up breaking only one low. But 3-hour time frame is already telling us that price is not going to go above this particular high. So 3-hour time frame is stronger than 3 minutes time frame. So what I just did right here, you're like looking for a place to enter into the market where price is probably going to. So we're able to see that price is going to take out this particular high as a liquidity. So from 3 minutes, let's check 1 minute time frame. So on 1 minute time frame right here, okay, on 1 minute time frame right here, you have to analyze the market to know where exactly price is going to. And then if you check 1 minute time frame, price end up breaking one low or two low. Let me show you guys. Right here, price end up breaking this particular low. Can you see price end up breaking this low, and then we have another low below it. This low also. This low you see right here is under range, so I'm not going to talk about it. This is not a low. This you see right here is not a low, it's under range. None of our business about this particular low, so you're going to focus on the low above it. So price end up breaking only one low right there, and then this is the other block that is responsible for this particular break. I mean this particular break right there. So price not going to respect this other block that broke this low. Price going to respect the other block above it. So you're going to reduce what your other block above it to size this particular other block, then adjust I also, and then if you check the market, price end up tapping into it directly. Can you see price just tap into the entry and then start going what's on a bearish direction? Actually, I was expecting price to keep on going on a bearish direction to break this particular low on 4-hour time frame. Let me show you, or 3-hour time frame. Let me use 3-hour time frame. So actually I was expecting price to take out this particular low when it was coming all the way down, but price not tap out this particular low. So price come all the way down, just you want to take out this low but respect it and then use it to go up, and now price is coming all the way down back to this particular order block. So this trade is more than 1:20. There's a lot of setup that happened last week that you guys missed, so I'm not going to talk about all the setup. I'm just talking about this because I was expecting this particular moment to break this particular low, but price not break it, and then price respect it and they use it to go all the way bullish. And right now price is here to fulfill the purpose. Can you see price is here to like to break this particular low right here? So price move up, and then this particular moment can break this high. So price move up to this particular high, and then after getting to this particular high, price starts to come all the way down. So once you have to notice, you're like, let me go back to like a 4-hour time frame. Once you just have to notice, you're like, from this particular moment when price was coming all the way down right here, let me show you something. When price was coming all the way down, this is where bearish trend start from. Can you see this is the last high, and the price is still under what a bearish movement. This movement right here from all this low to this particular high is what a bullish range. So this right here is a bearish range. Price here to break this particular high, so we are still on bearish. We are still on bearish direction. So and then this particular moment, okay, this particular moment is here to fill the purpose. So right here, price is not going to break this particular high because it's here to fill the purpose, and then I'm still going to come all the way down to take out this particular low as what a liquidity. So price is going to tap out all this high. If you check daily time frame, it's only one high. Okay. If you check daily time frame, can you see price end up tapping out this particular high right here? Price end up tapping out this high. So it's difficult for price to break too high in the market. So once you understand that, and then it's not every single time that it works that way. There's some area that it works. So you have to understand the market, and then you have to understand my trade strategy very well to know when price is going to break too high or too low. Because when price end up breaking too high or too low, that is when I classify it as what a reorder block. So you can see the first way on how to satisfy reorder block that I draw the other time. Price end up breaking like too low. So that's why I call it a reorder block. Do you understand? Because it is difficult for price to break too high at the same time. So price end up breaking this one right here. So price not going to break the next one. Before price can break the next one, we are expecting a whole full day to end up in a bearish candle. I trained one of my students about this, understanding the next candle to form in the market. Is it a bullish candle or a bearish candle? You can see some of my video, I do predict the next candle that is going to form. Maybe it's going to be a bullish candle or a bearish candle. Because it's difficult for price to break too high in the market. I'm just giving out this one for free. So right here, most of my students was able to see, oh, this high is what in liquidity. Then they make use of this particular high. That price is going to respect this one, and then it's very crazy, guys. So from this particular high right here, from this particular moment, if we go down to lower time frame, let's check where the reorder block is. Okay, so let me move down to like let's be fast, 1 hour time frame. So if you check 1 hour time frame, if you check the reorder block, I think the reorder block setup was on 30 minutes time frame or 5 minutes. I don't really remember. Let's check out 30 minutes. Okay. Yes, it was on 30 minutes time frame. So price end up breaking this low right here. Price end up breaking this low. Can you see this low? And then this other low too. I already have it drawing there. I'm yet to delete that line. So it's already there. So price end up breaking this low and also this low, making this particular order block right here a reorder block. So if you go down to lower time frame, also like 5 minutes, you see where price eventually respect. Let's use a 5 minutes time frame. Okay. So you can move down out to like a 1 minute time frame to know where exactly price is going to. And then you already know the liquidity that price is going to take, which is that particular high. So this is a 5 minutes entry. Can you see the order block of 5 minutes? So reduce the order block just like to size this particular order block right here. So you can also go down to lower time frame to know where exactly price is going to try to get to. So it was a snapper entry. The trade was a snapper entry, and then actually it remains more for me to make this particular trade. It was my student that sent me the analysis that make me to analyze this particular trade. Despite the fact that my student sent me the analysis, let me show you. This was my student that sent me the analysis. Despite the fact that my student sent me the analysis, you can see right here. This one he sent me his analysis that should confirm it. So I also like to go back to my chart and then analyze the market. So because of the news, I was thinking that price can probably break this particular high and then start coming all the way down. So what I did, just like I'll wait for confirmation. I didn't enter into the market the same place that all of them enter into the market. I waited for confirmation, and then if you can check my tree right here, let me show you where I enter into the market. Okay, right here I enter into the market from let me show you guys. My entry is on 2527. My entry is on 25. Let me delete this. 2527.143, and then my stop loss is in where is stop loss? Okay, my stop loss is 2529.501, and also my take profit is 2493.91. 317. So you're going to see where I enter into the market. Can you see? This is where I enter into the market. Are they entered directly from where all of them enter into the market? So I have to wait for confirmation. And also, if I have to show you the confirmation that I use, it was the third way on how to identify a reorder block. So I'm not going to mention it. Even though if I end up showing you guys the third way on how to identify a reorder block in the market, or the fourth, okay, it's the fourth way. If I end up showing like the fourth way on how to identify a reorder block in the market, you are still going to be losing trade. The reason because you are yet to understand my trade strategy very well, so I can't give you like the third way and also the fourth way for free on my YouTube page. You have to have the full understanding before you can use the third way and also the fourth way on how to identify a reorder block. So what I did right here is a very simple. This way I enter into the market. This is where my entry is. You guys can see it on the screen. Okay, this is my entry 2527.1143. My stop loss 25. Okay, let me delete this. My stop loss 2529.501, and also my take profits right here 2493.917. So this is how I was able to make $4,100, $4,000, guys. So it's very simple. You just need to understand my trade strategy very well. So my trade strategy is very simple. It's very simple, guys. Just like you understanding a reorder block in the market, and also you going down to lower time frame to increase your risk to reward ratio. And then the lowest ratio I can take as a trader is just like 1:10. Meanwhile, some traders are aiming for like a 1:2, 1:3, 1:4, 1:5. But mine is 1:10 because I understand a reorder block in the market, and also I'm able to go down to the lower time frame to increase my risk to a ratio, and also my stop loss are always tight. So I'm going to be giving you guys this benefit because it's not all brokers that allow stop loss like this. Some just like if you use a tight stop loss, price is going to take you out because of spread. So I'm going to leave a link in the description right now for my broker, so you guys can make use of my broker. Their spread is very small, and then for you to place a withdrawal is very fast. Within 2 minutes you get your money. I will tell my broker to bank. Sometimes I'll just request money at the moment I'm purchasing some stuff, then I'll just place a withdrawal for my broker, and then they will send the money immediately. Within 2 minutes I'll receive my money. So I'm going to leave the link in the description, so make sure you register right now, and then you're going to benefit a lot of offers. So make sure you register with my broker right now. And also for you to join my mentorship program, I'm going to leave the link in the description. So make sure you join my mentorship program right now, and then have the full knowledge of how my trade strategy works, so you can know when to enter into the market and also when to leave the market. Even though you end up missing a trade, you can still find another opportunity just like to enter into the market. Just like you make use of the second entry opportunity, you wait for confirmation. Like what I told you guys right here, this trade right here, it started from this particular moment right here, and then my students use, I took 1 minute time frame for confirmation, and then it was able to see 1:16. I just had a class with him, then I show him all the necessary things that he needs to know about my trade strategy. The following day it was able to see 1:16. I'll show you guys. So you can join my mentorship program and then have the knowledge of all the things you need to know about my trade strategy. So I believe that you have learned a lot of things from this particular video. I really appreciate if you can like this video and comment. If you have any question, please comment. I want you guys to comment. Please comment. And then if you're watching my video for the first time, please subscribe to my YouTube page. I really appreciate you for doing that. Thank you. See you in my next video, and also see you in my mentorship.